Hey hustlers, and welcome back to the Miss Hustler channel. Today I will show you my step-by-step process for producing high-quality coloring books to sell on Amazon KDP or anywhere else, such as Etsy or any other platform where you would like to sell your art. Today I will use an example of a coloring book that I previously created, which features sugar skulls. As you can see, this is a popular niche that many customers enjoy purchasing. So how can you create an amazing coloring book using an AI tool called MidJourney and some free tools like Canva and PowerPoint? Let's get started. Firstly, we need to choose a suitable size for our coloring book. In my experience, the best-selling size for coloring books is around 8.5 inches by 11 inches. So in PowerPoint, we will create a blank presentation, delete the default slide, and change the size of the slide. To do this, we will go to Design, Slide Size, and select Custom Slide Size. For the height and width, we will use 8.7 inches and 11.2 inches instead of 8.5 by 11 inches respectively to ensure the design does not get cut off during the printing process due to bleeds or other factors. Once we've adjusted the slide size, we can select Maximize to fill the entire slide with our coloring book design. And there you have it. Our first page for the coloring book is ready. The next step is to decide how many pages we would like our coloring book to have. After doing a quick research and sorting them by bestsellers, I found that most of the selling books have a page count of 70, 110, 86, 68, and 80 pages, which averages to about 80 pages. However, in coloring books, you need to divide the number of pages by 2 because you place your design on one side and the other side must be left blank to prevent the color from staining the design on the back. So, we will create a 40-page coloring book, which requires at least 80 slides in our presentation. The first thing we will do is add borders to the pages. It's not necessary, but I like my coloring pages to have a little border to define them. To insert a border, we will choose Insert and then select Shapes. I will choose the rectangle shape and click and drag to create the border. Then I will change the shape Fill to None and the outline to black. Next, I will move it until the guides show me that it is in the exact middle of the page. And we have our first slide to insert our first coloring page. As agreed, the back of the page will be blank, so we will delete the unnecessary elements on the page. We need at least 40 slides for the coloring pages, so the other 40 slides must be left blank. To create them quickly, I will select 2 slides, press Ctrl plus C or Command plus C on Mac, and then Ctrl plus V to paste them. I will repeat the pasting process 3 more times to get 10 slides. Then I will press Ctrl plus A or Command plus A on Mac to select all the slides and press Ctrl plus C or Command plus C to copy them. I will keep pasting until I have a total of 40 slides. Then select all the slides again and paste them to get 80 slides in total. As you can see, all 40 slides have been copied. Now we have 80 slides ready to start creating our coloring pages. To do this, I'll have to use another app called MidJourney AI Bot. You can use it by typing text commands and the AI turns them into images. So let's get creative and try to imagine what our coloring pages will look like. First, I'll activate the MidJourney prompt by typing / and then Imagine. Then I'll type something like Sugar Skull Coloring Page for Adults and add some extra details such as detailed background, line art, and anything that might describe how I want my coloring page to look. Next, we need to add another important command, which is the aspect ratio command. Typically, MidJourney produces square images, but for our coloring book, we need the aspect ratio to be 2:3. So we will type --AR 2:3 and click enter. Now we'll let MidJourney do its wonders. It will only take a few minutes, and then it will start producing 4 proposed coloring pages based on our prompts. Keep trying different commands to get different results, and keep re-rolling until you find pages that you like. When MidJourney produces a coloring page that you like out of the 4 it proposed, click on the upscaling button that corresponds to the selected page to upscale it. And there you have it. Your amazing coloring page is ready to go. Now we will take this image to add it to our book. What we need to do is to click on the page and right-click on it again, then choose Copy Image. Then we will paste it on one of the slides we have prepared previously by right-clicking, then Paste. Now we need to move it a little to the center, then crop it a little bit to fit inside the border we created, and then right-click on it again and choose Send to Back so the border will be above it, just like this. And congratulations! You have created your first coloring page inside your book. Now you'll repeat the same steps with another 39 pages till you fill all the 40 pages with your amazing coloring pages, after you end adding all the needed artworks. Now it is time to make our book look a little more professional. I will teach you now how to create a logo for your publishing brand and add a copyright page to your book to make it look a little more professional. So stay with me and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. To create a copyright page with our logo on it, we will add 2 more slides at the start of the presentation. And now let's create a logo for our brand. We will head to Canva and type logo in the search bar. Then I will keep scrolling through the logos till I see something that I like. I think I like this one, so I will choose it and click on Customize. And inside the Canva editor, I will change the text of the logo and type something like Media Publishing here in the middle. Then I will change the ones on the inside too. And here we have it, a professional logo for our brand in just 5 minutes. Now we will save it to use it on our books. We will click on Share, then Download. If you have a premium Canva subscription, you can download it with a transparent background, and if you don't, just use a white background. Now, on PowerPoint, we will choose Insert, then go to the picture icon and choose this device. Then we will choose the logo image we just created. Now we will drag and resize it and put it exactly in the middle of the first page. We will now insert another border as I taught you before, exactly in the middle. And now we need to get a professional template for our copyright page. To do so, we will type on Google search, copyright page template for books, and keep searching till we find a template that we like and matches our requirements. For now, I will take this one and change the changeable parts to match our brand and year of publication and any other info that can make our copyright page look professional. Now I will put the final touches to my page to my liking, till I feel this is the professional copyright page that is suitable for my coloring book. I will also save it as a template to use it later on future books. Congratulations, Hustler! You have successfully completed your first coloring book. Now you can create a cover for it and upload it to any platform you wish, or you can even print it and give it as a gift to your loved ones. If you want to learn how to create amazing covers for coloring books, then watch my next video. I will show you step by step how to make beautiful covers for your books. You can find the link to the video in the description box, at the end screen cards, and above the video. So stay tuned and keep building your wealth. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.